NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm coming to you with another Sharefactory tutorial, and we're going to be showing you how to add audio and commentary to your YouTube videos or your Sharefactory videos. So if you're a PS4 player and wanting to make your own gaming videos, then this is the channel for you, because I'm showing you lots of Sharefactory tips for making your own gaming videos. And Sharefactory, if you don't already know, is a free and easy app to use, and you can get it easily on the PS4. You just need to follow the download steps, and if you're not sure how to do it, then do check out my other videos, because it shows you how to upload Sharefactory and how to start using it with basic editing and stuff. But in this video we're going to be showing you how to do commentary, so let's get into it. So first thing to do is to go into Sharefactory and then find the clip that you want to add commentary to, and then you're just going to go into it and you press the cross button, and then you're selecting track 2, add track 2, there you go. So you just then need to push down in the bottom left hand corner, it says cross to record, and then that'll start the process. You select record audio, gives you a 5-second countdown. So we're just going to add something quickly now. In this video I'm showing you a couple of my best bits for the last few games, and just sharing with you a couple of kills that I got. And then we'll play it quickly. In this video I'm showing you a couple of my best bits for the last few games, and just sharing with you a couple of kills that I got. Okay, so when you've got your clips you can then play about with it. So by pressing the square button, that you can go into this setting and you can find the clip volume to change the volume of the audio. So I normally, for my videos, I normally put it up to 200, and then you've got the apply to all. If you've got numerous commentary clips, it will apply the volume that you've just set to all of those audio clips. And then you've got the option of moving the clip. You just push the square button again and go to move clip, and then as soon as you've got it in the position you want, you push cross to apply. And then you've got the option of splitting the clip, same as your gaming clips. So you just go into it and split clip, confirm split, and then you can just delete this other bit if you decided you didn't want it anymore. Again, using all the buttons down the bottom, it tells you what to do, so you just need to look at that bit. And that is how to do the volume and how to delete and how to split. I don't tend to use the trim clip, I tend to use the split clip, which is just as good. So the other thing you need to be aware of is when you're making your videos, you have a limited amount of audio clips that you're allowed to use. So it's really frustrating the first time if you're not aware of that, and you're making your video and you're putting lots of audio clips in, and then you get to almost finishing the video and it won't let you add any more audio clips because of the restrictions. So do be aware of this from the start, that it is limited to 10, I believe. I'm just going to check it now by creating 10 audio clips, but I believe that it is 10. So when you get to your limit, it will stop you from adding any more, so just be aware that you are restricted. So we'll keep on going, adding more clips, and then when it gets to the limit it will show us, and there you go, actually there you go, the project clip limit has been reached. You cannot record without deleting an existing commentary clip. So just be aware of the 10 clip limit, because it is frustrating, like I say, when you get to the end and you realise that you can't add any more clips. So yeah, that is that. The other thing I would say to do with when you're adding commentary is just to make the commentary like we did with the volume, make it as loud as you can. And then the other thing I'll do is go back into your gameplay and reduce the volume of your gameplay, purely because when it's shooting like that, quite often the shooting can drown out your voice when you're doing the commentary. So I would just go through it again, just double check that the commentary isn't being drowned out by the gameplay, and if so, then just go into the gameplay and reduce the volume of the gameplay so that you can hear it a lot better. Lastly, what I would say is when you think you've finished and you've done all of your video, then just go play the video all the way through from the beginning, and just make sure that all the audio is how you want it, because quite often you can make it and then think, yep, all good, and then upload it to YouTube, and then realise that actually there's a couple of blips, or the gameplay's drowning out the commentary or anything like that. So just watch it all through and just check for any mistakes. So that's the end of this video. So do check out the other Sharefactory videos. I've got lots on my channel now, and I've got plenty more to add to it. And if you've got any comments on this, please do drop it below. If you're having any problems with Sharefactory that you want help with, let me know and I'll have a look into it for you. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and like this video if you thought it was of any use, and do turn on notifications because I've got lots of Sharefactory videos coming. Thanks, bye.